Sometimes the smallest efforts can change the world. This is a story about a star, about people, and about how together we can bring hope. On the seashore, a boy was picking up one starfish after another and throwing them into the water. "Why are you doing this?" a passerby asked. "So they can live," he replied. The passerby stopped. "But there are so many millions." "You can't make a difference." The boy picked up another starfish, threw it into the sea, and quietly said, "I made a difference for that star." Soon, the man picked up a starfish and threw it into the sea. Then another person, and another. By nightfall, there were many people on the beach. Everyone was saving starfish. This is how Candlelighters works. Hundreds of people unite their efforts to help each family, each child, everyone fighting childhood cancer. For each of them, it is salvation. I believe that every story matters, every effort counts. Candlelighters inspires me to create stories that unite hearts and bring hope. And when the sun rose, there was not a single unsaved starfish on the beach. Candlelighters, together we shine brighter.